guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to show you a removal. I haven't done this in a while, although I think the video that's going to be somewhere around here, I also have a removal, which I think I also say that same thing. So not quite sure if you've seen the removal or not in a while. So I'm going to remove these nails and prep, and then I'll catch you back when we're setting down our first thing of gel.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it, and I don't need to speak.
Taking gelish foundation, and we are going to apply that all over the nail. I took most of the gel off because we're going to come in with a pink gel. Again, I wear so many different layers of gel, it's hard to keep up. So this is a clear gel, and this will be our base, and we will apply this all over our nail, and we will give this a cure. Taking pink one step, like my favorite light pink. I just love one step finish. So we are going to apply a slip layer. A slip layer is going to help you build this up. My nails are not very long because I can't wear super long nails in general. So we will apply this base, and then we come in with the quote unquote blob, and then we are going to pillow that back and forth to the side, and then walk it down the nail. Eventually, there, there we go. So we will walk it down the nail some, and then I do flip my hand upside down a lot to bring that back to the middle. Again, using my light line and just making it even and just dragging it down. So we will go ahead and repeat this on all of the nails.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over.
Evie nails number 12, and this is a finished file nail. They recommend doing it over a matte top coat. I didn't feel the need to, so my nails are filed and buffed, and that's fine for me. I mean, if you want to do a matte top coat, you can, but I did not. So I just randomly put this on, and you can see this is super glittery. So I kind of let it kind of chunk up and let it dry before fully moving my nail to the next one, because you really don't want it to go into the cuticle area. But when you add the acetone, it definitely will. So just be prepared for that. Taking that acetone and this first layer, I do a bigger dispersion, and then I come in and refine some of the lines. So I will go ahead and let you watch that.
We'll change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Finishing up this marble set, we will add that top coat, and I chose shiny. You could do matte, it would look awesome matte as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.